I'm part of the Microsoft UI developers community, and today I did a session on design thinking and UX, and I'm pretty sure we had an awesome crowd here.
We had a look about how you can build a chatbot with Lewis and Cognitive Services in chatbot and a Q&A service. In a nutshell, you are actually building intelligent applications, adding it to your existing app.
You can come and learn new skills and follow some learning tracks to become more knowledgeable in your job.
We have folks down from engineering from Redmond HQ. It is a fantastic opportunity for all of our customers. We have our local experts from within the Microsoft subsidiary in UAE.